Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have been doing great. So this recipe is a remake of my very first recipe video with a few minor changes. For our dry ingredients, we are going to need salt, powdered milk and corn flour. As usual, measurements are in the description box below. So you're just going to go ahead and mix that. For our wet ingredients, we are going to need margarine, which is a butter substitute, and powdered sugar. So just go ahead and cream the mixture. At this point, we are going to combine our dry ingredients and wet ingredients together. Our dry ingredients, which are the salt, flour, powdered sugar, milk powder, with our creamed margarine and sugar. When they are all combined, get out your baking paper or parchment paper and roll the dough out. Now, the reason for this is that it's easier to roll and it makes for a smoother surface. Roll it out to about a 1/4 or a 1/8 inch. If you are at this point in the video, please just go ahead and like, subscribe and comment what you think about the video and the recipe. When you are done rolling it out, go ahead and put it in the freezer for about an hour. When you bring it out from the freezer, let it thaw for 10 minutes. Then you can use your cookie cutter to cut out shapes from the dough. Arrange your cut out cookie dough on a baking pan lined with baking paper. Make sure to leave a little space in between to prevent them from sticking together as they bake. Our cookies are ready to bake at this point, so you just go ahead and bake the cookies at 170 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. You just gather the remaining dough and re-roll it again. Our cookies are ready, so you just go ahead and put them on a baking rack for them to cool down, and then it's ready to eat. Thank you for watching my video. So you just go ahead and subscribe if you haven't, and please press the like button to tell YouTube that you like this video and support my channel. Thank you. Bye.